What's up, AVI fans? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber grill that I just bought from Charge Speed. See that carbon fiber with the mesh aluminum grill. It's blacked out. And we're going to be removing the stock grill and, basically making it better. This grill is already cracked, as you can see here, so I wanted to replace it anyways. And yeah, I see a lot of videos on this on the Crosstrek, but this is my Impreza Sedan, so let's get into it. Firstly, we're gonna remove some clips. We got one here.
Here. Here's one here I removed. Here.
So this is just, I think, the heat shield behind the grill, so we're gonna remove that first. So this is how you would remove a clip with a flathead. You would pop it out right here. So it pops up. Then that's how it would look like from underneath. So when it's totally popped up, it can't really come out of the hole with this stuff in the way. So you just want to push it down a little and then it just pops right up. So there's that. So instead of trying to remove the whole bumper, we're gonna just remove the grill. And the way you do that is you grab a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew this part here, and there's one on the bottom area, and then one down there, right there. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So total 4 screws. So it looks like it's the screw right over here and the one down there, which I removed. Not this one. Not this one. That just attaches the chrome piece to the grill itself. So let's get this off. So it looks like this grill, they give you a lot of extra mesh that I'm trying to go around all the fittings. If not, I may need to clip them. Okay, now it looks like it's free, so it can attach. So it looks like they came with two holes on each side that you're gonna drill those same screws in. So yeah, let's do that. not very informative, but it's done, and it was a lot of work to do, and I recommend getting Pro to do it next time, because I know for sure like most of it's not screwed in and everything, but it looks like it's gonna hold. And yeah, it looks really nice, carbon fiber. I think next thing we're gonna do is put on some hell horns, you know, right there. It's gonna look nice. All right, cool. Thanks for sticking around, and AVI out.